Hi everyone, good day. Today we are going to talk about the financial system and other components in Sri Lanka. We will explain how financial institutions work and what financial instruments are, the roles of the central bank, and how everything connects to support the country's economy. Financial institutions. Financial institutions act as middlemen by moving money from people who save to those who need funds. They make deposits, loans, and investments possible. This supports economic growth, creates liquidity, and brings financial stability. In Sri Lanka, the central bank regulates licensed banks, finance companies, leasing firms, microfinance companies, and those dealing in foreign exchange and government securities. Role of the Bank of Ceylon. The Bank of Ceylon plays a major role in Sri Lanka's financial system. It encourages savings by offering different deposit options, and it provides loans for individuals, small businesses, and big companies. The bank funds infrastructure projects, promotes financial inclusion in rural areas, supports international trade, and ensures stability by following regulations. Financial instruments. What are the financial instruments? Financial instruments are assets that have monetary value and can be traded or used to raise money. They help move funds from savers to borrowers and are used by businesses, and governments to invest or manage risk. What are the type of financial instruments? There are two main types of financial instruments. Cash instruments, which includes shares, bonds, loans, and treasury bills. These are directly traded. Then the second one is derivatives. These are get their value from another assets like a currency or commodity. Examples are futures, options, and swaps. Financial instruments in BOC. The Bank of Ceylon offers a range of financial tools. For trade finance, they provide letter of credit and guarantees. For loans, they offer project finance and business loans. They also offer savings and cash management services. These tools help raise money, manage risks, invest, and maintain liquidity. Financial markets. Financial markets are where money is borrowed, lent, or invested. In Sri Lanka, the money market handles short term instruments like treasury bills. The capital market handles long term investments like stock and bonds, mainly through the Colombo Stock Exchange. The Bank of Ceylon takes part in these markets by managing liquidity, raising capital, and helping the government with debts. In the financial markets, what are the challenges and opportunities? Sri Lanka's financial markets face challenges like low liquidity, changing interest rates, and limited public involvement. However, digital technology, growing demand for investment funds, and policy reforms are creating new opportunities. The Bank of Ceylon supports these efforts with its strong presence in both money and capital markets. Central Bank of Sri Lanka. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka is the top financial authority. It was established in 1950 and works to keep the economy stable. Its key roles including managing interest rates, issuing currency, regulating banks, managing foreign reserves, and handling public debt. What are the recent developments of the CBSL? After the 2022 crisis, the central bank helped the countries recover. It introduced new reforms, promoted digital finance like Lanka QR, and worked to lower inflation. The bank is crucial for economic growth, financial policy, and public debt management. What are the other regulatory authorities in Sri Lanka? Besides the central bank, Sri Lanka has other regulators. The Ministry of Finance manages budgeting and debt. The Security Exchange Commission oversees the stock market. The insurance commissions ensure insurance companies stay reliable, and the Inland Revenue Department manages tax collection to fund public services. What are the financial infrastructure? Financial infrastructures is the backbone of the financial system. Even with financial instruments or markets, you can't buy or sell without infrastructure. These systems help process payments and transfer securely and efficiently. The examples for the infrastructure, some key systems include RTGS for real-time fund transfer between banks, Lanka Secure and SSDS for electronic government securities, CDS for recording share ownership, CITS for clearing checks using digital images, slips for low value payments, CEFTS for real-time bank transfers, Lanka QR for easy mobile payments. The Bank of Ceylon use of infrastructures. The Bank of Ceylon uses all these systems every day. RTGS helps transfer large funds securely. Systems like Lanka Secure and CDS make trading safe and efficient. All this ensures smooth and secure financial operations in BOC. So, we have given detailed explanation of each financial infrastructure and how they support Sri Lanka's financial systems. So, we hope this video helped you to understand the key components clearly. So, thank you for watching this video and we hope you learned something valuable.